I have just checked into the most beautiful hotel right here in Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm about to plug you up. Just checked into Emara Hotel. Can you guys believe I'm on a mini game drive? Let's go! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Tracy, your lifestyle and travel influencer. And right about now, I'm actually in Emara Hotel. And the most beautiful thing I've actually seen today is the Nairobi National Park. Can you guys believe I'm on a mini game drive? Is it a drive? No. I'm on a mini game watch. Let me say that. Right here at the balcony of my room. If I can spot a giraffe, I'm also spotting, I think it's either an antelope or a hartebeest. That's the only problem with being around here. But I think if you have binoculars, it would actually be a better experience. Let me first give you guys a little room tour. After the room tour, I'm going to give you guys a hotel tour. After the hotel tour, I'm going to give you guys a view tour. So you can see the room, you can see the hotel, and you can see the views. On the topmost floor, you have a 360 of Nairobi City, and then also of Nairobi National Park. Let's head into the video.
Yes, we are checking in now.
Hi guys, so I have just checked into Emara Hotel. We are going to do a quick room tour. Wait a minute. I'm going to do a quick room tour before we can do anything else. So I got a twin room. So this is the bed. This is how the twin room looks like. This bed and that bed. And then you get obviously a seat here. And then over here is what I like to call the breadwinner of this room. This is the winner. So over here, I don't know if you guys know this already, but I've already put a vlog on my YouTube about the Nairobi National Park that is actually right in the middle of the capital. And it is this right here that you're seeing. This right here is Nairobi National Park. So yeah, for the rest of the room, it has a TV here. Let's go a little bit here like this. It has a TV here that you can see. Then it has the room service phone. It has that lamp. There is a reading table over here. And then when you come over this side, there is actually this center here. So you can make your coffee, your tea from here. There is water. Then up here, there are some gins in case you are a drinker. Yeah. So over here, we have a mirror. And over here is our bathroom. It is gorgeous. Obviously, you see the bathroom is coming with a hair dryer. It's over there. It's coming with the toiletries, the towels and everything. Then obviously the shower. So inside the bathroom, obviously you're going to get the conditioner, body wash. Obviously in the bathroom you're going to get the conditioner, body wash and shampoo. And then right over here, let me close this door a little bit. So yes, right over here, you're going to get the toilet, okay? So yeah. Right over here, you have the closet. This is where you actually get to keep your stuff. And in the closet, you get a pair of sandals. Let's start from down. A pair of sandals, room sandals. You're getting these. You're getting a shelf for your keep shelf. And then right over here, you're getting bathrobes. Yeah, bathrobes and then hangers. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Whoever did this is actually a girl's girl. If you know, you know. Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So you get hangers and a bathrobe in this section of the closet. Yeah, yeah. So that was it for our room tour. We're going to head out, do a little hotel tour as we head upstairs to actually view the sun setting. Let's go. Tomatoes, yes, and then onions. Yes, that's okay. Yeah, so you do that for 3 people.
The same.
That's 1 person. Yes, that's okay. Put enough salt, please. Thank you. Yeah, that's okay. Isn't that a lot? That's thank you. Guys, good morning. Meanwhile, I am waiting for my breakfast. We are currently running late because we are supposed to get our shuttle to Arusha. Arusha, yeah, one of the two. I will let you guys know in the next video. So we are running late, so I've come here to pick breakfast for me and the boys. So I'm going to take like a breakfast. Yeah. But I think generally we've come to the end of this video. I don't know what you guys think. I definitely love this hotel. This is Emara Ole Sereni, okay? So yeah, what do you guys think? You should let me know what you think in the comment section. I saw they have little night game drives at $180 for people 5. So I think that's actually nice. Also, while we're here having breakfast, there is the view of the game park. So the day game drive, I actually understand why they sell the night game drive, because the day game drive, we're literally here and you see almost half of the park, I think. Yeah, or quarter of the park, whatever, but you can see the animals inside the park. So I think that's why they sell mostly like the night game. It's a beautiful experience here. I can see it is more high-end, but necessary. So if you're ever in Nairobi, Kenya, and this is your vibe, then I definitely think you should be booking this hotel. So don't forget to book these hotels with me through Travel Buddies. I have put the email and my contact down in the description box, so you can hit it and watch and book your stay with me right here at Ole Sereni. Okay, so it was nice having you guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and that's all. Bye.